Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Agi. Thank you so much for clicking on this video, and today I'm gonna be showing you how to make the most delicious baked garlic potatoes. So this recipe is quite simple, and I really hope that you guys are going to subscribe so that anytime you want to refer to this recipe, it's gonna be very easy for you to get it. Don't forget to share this video with your friends and kindly leave me a comment in the comment section, and let's get on with the video. So the first thing I'm going to do is to thoroughly wash my potatoes, and I'm just gonna give them a good scrub just to make sure that they are nice and clean before we start peeling them. After washing the potatoes, the next thing I'm going to do is to peel them. So as you can see, the potatoes are nicely peeled, and just make sure that after you peel them, you're going to wash them again. So the next thing I'm going to do is to cut out the potatoes. You can cut them into wedges or cubes. Personally, I prefer the wedges. So each half you can cut into about 4 pieces. This will also depend with the size of the potatoes that you have. And also try to cut the potatoes into about the same size because you want them to cook evenly. So we're all done preparing the potatoes. We're gonna put them into a clean bowl. So you're gonna set this aside, get a clean bowl, and into that clean bowl I added in salt, garlic powder, some black pepper, ginger powder, some garam masala, some turmeric powder, a little bit of coriander powder, and this is dry rosemary, and a little bit of oregano, and some paprika spice. So the next thing you'll add in to your spices is the potatoes, a little bit of olive oil, and then you're just going to mix up everything really well. So here we use a couple of spices. If you don't have all these spices, you can always use just whatever you have. If you're into really hot spices like pepper, you can add in as much as you want, and if you don't like pepper, you can also just not add in the pepper. So it will always depend on the kind of spices that you're into, and you're free to use any amount that you think is enough for you. So I'm gonna set this aside, and then I'm gonna take a whole garlic, and then I'm gonna cut out the garlic head like that. So I'm gonna take a little bit of foil, and there is my garlic. I'm gonna add in a little bit of olive oil, and then I'll just place my garlic there, rub it a little bit on the olive oil so that it goes in a little bit, and then I'm just going to wrap the garlic with the foil paper. So you're gonna get the baking tray, and you're gonna wrap it up with the aluminum foil as I'm doing in the video. And then you'll get your garlic package, and we're gonna bake this along with the potatoes, so just put it there at the extreme end, and then you're gonna pour in your spiced up potatoes into the baking tray. Just make sure that you spread them out into a single layer. You want all the potatoes to be nicely cooked evenly, so make sure that all the potatoes are exposed. So this looks amazing. So we are going to pop this in the oven for about 45 minutes or until it's nicely cooked and a little bit golden brown. So just bake it for 45 minutes at 170 degrees Celsius. So guys, it's been 45 minutes, and as you can see, our potatoes are perfectly cooked. They are really looking amazing and they smell so amazing. So I'm just gonna go ahead and plate this up into a nice clean plate. So now the potatoes are nicely plated. As you can see, they look amazing. So we're gonna set this aside for a few minutes, and then you're going to get your garlic that you baked, and I'm gonna get it out of the foil. So the next thing I'm going to do is to remove the garlic cloves from the garlic itself, and this should be quite easy. So as you can see, the garlic has cooked a little bit, so I'm just gonna get it all out and put it into the clean bowl. And then I'll just mash the garlic cloves with a pestle until they're nice and soft. So the garlic is nicely mashed. So you're gonna get a clean pan and add in about 2 tablespoons of butter. And then you'll just let the butter melt and let it heat a little bit. So once your butter is melted and heated, you're gonna go ahead and add in your garlic paste and just give it a good mix. So you're going to cook the garlic and the butter for about 1 minute, and after a minute you can add in your coriander, nicely chopped coriander, and just give it a good mix for another probably 1 minute. So after 1 minute, you're going to remove your garlic sauce from the fire, and you're just going to spoon or drizzle the garlic sauce onto your baked potatoes. Just make sure that all the potatoes get a drizzle of your garlic sauce. So this is a very easy recipe, as you can see, guys, and you can see that the baked potatoes look so amazing. They smell so heavenly, and I really would like you guys to be able to try out this recipe. Don't forget to let me know in the comment section how yours came out. Don't forget to share this recipe with your friends, because you never know who might need it. Kindly don't forget to like this video, because it really helps to grow my channel, and I hope you guys are gonna try out this recipe. It's amazing and it's very easy, and all the spices I used are very easy to get. Like, you can just get them at any store or at any supermarket. And also don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because anytime you'd want to refer to this recipe, it would be very easy for you to get it. And don't forget to hit the notification bell so that you're notified anytime I upload a new video. And I hope that I'll be able to see you guys in my next video.